Guys, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Fuka. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, we have solved this problem on logarithm, but today I'm going to use another approach, and we are simply going to apply the laws. Okay, we have the addition and the subtraction of logarithm. So if we look at this side, okay, we can simply apply what if I have log A plus log B. It means log what? Have A times log B. Okay, so it means this part of the expression is going to be log 8 times 16, okay, base 2. Now we have minus what? Log 4 base 2. Now from this, we have log n minus log what? N. Okay, this has to do with what? Our what? Law of logarithm that has to do with what? Subtraction. So when we are subtracting, we are going to divide, n divided by what? N. So we're actually going to apply it to this expression. And let's see what that is going to give us. So this expression is actually going to be log, okay? So I have 8 times what? 16, okay? Divided by what? 4. Just like we have here, when you are subtracting, you divide, okay, the numbers you have, okay? So this is going to divide this like this divided this, all right? So let's see, is there anything that can cancel out? Yes. So 4 into this is 1, 4 into this is 2. So we have it as log what? This is 2 times what? 16. Okay, so that will give us log what? 2 times 16 is what? 32. Okay, now our 32 means what? We have 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So we have this as 2 raised to the power of 5. So it means I can write this as log what? Instead of 32, we are going to write 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay, so let's see. Now, from this law, we have the power of number law. So it means this 5 can come down. So we have that expression as 5 log what? 2 base 2. Now, if we can recognize this, we have the same number and the same base. So remember, if you have your log A, base A means what? 1. So what this means is this is 5 times all this is 1 from this law. So we are going to substitute 1 for log 2 base 2. So we are going to have this as 5 times 1, which also gives us 5 as a solution to this simple problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to somebody. Maybe I'll see you guys in my next